Hello everyone. Welcome to English StoryCraft. This is the place where stories and learning English come together. We'll share fun stories that will help you with your English. So, get ready to listen, enjoy, and learn. Let's start our story time.
Scarlett's family picnic. The sky is blue with fluffy white clouds. It's a wonderful day for a picnic. Scarlett and her family decide to go to the local park. Mom packs a picnic basket. There are sandwiches, orange juice, and Scarlett's favorite, chocolate chip cookies. Dad brings a big blanket to sit on. At the park, Scarlett helps spread the blanket under a tall tree. The tree provides shade, making it cool and comfortable. Scarlett sees pretty flowers everywhere. She admires a daisy, but decides to let it stay in the ground. She smiles at Mom and continues to explore the park. They all sit and eat their sandwiches. Scarlett sips her orange juice and looks around. She sees other families playing and laughing. After eating, Scarlett and Dad play catch with a soft ball. The ball is yellow and bounces high. Scarlett laughs every time she catches it. Later, they lie down on the blanket and look at the sky. They see birds flying and clouds moving.
Look, that cloud looks like a rabbit,
Scarlett says, pointing. The day ends with the sun setting, casting a golden light. They pack up their things and head home. Scarlett hugs her parents.
I love picnics,
She says. And they promise to have more soon.
Thanks for joining us today at English StoryCraft. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Each story is a step closer to mastering English. See you next time.